What is up, guys? Thank you for clicking on this video. Firstly, I'd like to point out that obviously I'm not recording currently due to my bike being back with the dealer. It's had an electrical issue. I'm not entirely sure on what it is at the minute. They haven't given me much details. I assume it's to do with like because it was in the spark plug or the battery. Those were checked. It's definitely electrical, so it's definitely one, you know, they're going to trace it and see where the fault is coming from, because the bike doesn't turn over. I would include it in this clip, but I don't actually have the GoPro or the SDs on me at the moment. I haven't put anything in my bag, no. I'll literally just check now. But you get this lovely footage of staring at me in the interim while I talk over to you. I'm currently using my Sony headset that I normally use to edit, and it's pretty good quality. Anyways, onwards and upwards with the video. So yeah, you shouldn't see any effect of it, to be honest, because I do every 3 to 7 days of releasing videos. However, I've only got one video on the back burner, so if it does last longer than anticipated, I'd rather release this now in its place just to update you guys and go from there, to be honest. I wanted to go ahead and talk about my next video in advance, so I don't feel I got the point across just as good. Basically, this is when I was coming back from the video that you can see now, and obviously I had the camera actually on my head at that point on the way back. So if I can get 100 subscribers, I will happily reveal my face, just so you know what I look like, just to make it a bit more personal, but obviously gives you guys incentive on, well, you know, getting to know me a bit more, and yeah, just going from there, because there's nothing worse than not knowing who you can't see, but at the same time, my visor is pretty fucking sexy. But yeah, if I can get 100 subs, I will reveal my face happily. Most of you guys know, ooh, that was loud. Most of you guys already know what I look like because, well, I ride in a group with you. However, people that do not know me, follow my channel, will not know what I look like just yet. Only a few people know what I look like, but yeah, that's besides the point. Anyways, onwards and upwards. I will probably try and throw in a free pair of gloves as well if I can. If not, worst case scenario is I'll throw them on 150 or 200, but depending on how things go, I am selling stuff as well at the moment. I'll either get a secondary camera or I'll put it towards direct access for my full test. But with current situations at the moment, to be fair, the whole country's going back on heavy lockdown, so yeah, to be honest, I don't know what my work's going to say about it, but I may end up even working from home, so the only trip I can get probably on the bike is shopping. Yeah, apologies for the unusual method of, you know, editing video, but it is what it is, and to be fair, I am liking the self-view perspective. I don't know about you guys, just let me know what you think. I will be getting 2 cameras just to make it a bit more better, even if it's a GoPro Hero 4 or something along those lines, 'cause that's probably the only thing I regret, to be fair, is getting rid of the camera. So yeah, if you like this video, throw a like down below, throw a dislike down below, tell me what you want improving, throw a comment down as well, just to support that. I want your support. Subscribe if you can subscribe, because it really helps me out. Either way, peace out.